In this guide we will go over the user manual for the Nerone Combi Oven. Once you have turned on the oven by pressing 1 for power and then pressing 4 to be ready for cooking, you can set the desired cooking settings with the following instructions. Manual parameters setting is about setting the temperature and the time. Pressing buttons 2 and 3 set the temperature. Pressing buttons 8 and 9 set the cooking time. To have no set cooking time, just press button 9 until INF is displayed. H2O injection adjustment is about setting how much steam you want while cooking. If you don't want steam, just skip this step. You can set from 10% up to 100% steam by pressing button 4, which will display H2O on the screen, then use buttons 8 and 9 to adjust the steam amount. Alternatively, you can press button 6 while the cooking process is on to manually inject steam. Temperature needs to be at least 110 degrees for steam operation. If cooking with core probe, you press the 6 button and C will appear in the right display panel. Pressing the 8 and 9 buttons will adjust the temperature setting for core probe cooking, which will stop cooking once temperature setting of the core probe is reached. You can tell the cooking is set for core probe because C will be next to the core temperature in the right-hand display. If there is a number in the right-hand display without the letter C, then you are on timer cooking. Now that we have set the parameters of how we want to cook, we can start the cooking cycle by pressing the button number 5. The oven will preheat up to the preset cooking temperature. Once it reaches the preset cooking temperature, it will beep and start will appear on the display. That is the signal that the oven is ready to start cooking at the set temperature. You can put your food in the oven and press button 5 again to begin the cooking program. If you want to save a cooking program that you use often, you can save up to 10 recipes in the menu. To create a recipe, you press the number 7 button, and then R plus a number will appear in the left display, which indicates the recipe number. And it will also flash the recipe parameters. To change the recipe number, press the buttons 2 and 3 for up and down. To change the parameters for a recipe, press Set and then set the desired parameters as previously shown. To save the new recipe, press the button number 5.